Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to be painting 5 loaves and 2 fish. It is one of our Paint by Line products, and the first step I'm doing is to paint the basket evergreen. All the paint I'm using today is Dixie Belle paint, so all of the names are the names of the paint by Dixie Belle, which can be purchased on our website. The first 2 loaves I painted a color called putty, and then the darker pine cone, and the darkest called chocolate. And then I'm going to paint the 2 fish a gray color, and it's actually called Haint Blue, but it's more gray looking to me than blue. And now I'm taking a detailed paintbrush and I'm going to begin to fill in all of the lines that are etched into the product, and I'm doing that with the color called Caviar, slightly watered down, and a detailed paintbrush. It's a 00 brush, and as you can see, I'm just following the lines that are already there and filling them in with the black color. So I'm going to get these last 2 lines on the basket. Now I'm going to take my painter's paint pen and I'm going to go around the entire outside edge of the basket. That way this completes all of the outlining I did on the inside lines, and it will have a complete look. This paint pen can be purchased at Walmart or any local hobby store. It's just the brand Painter's Pen, and it is the color black. Next we're going to go and do some accenting. I call this beyond the lines because these are things that I'm going to do that were not etched into the product for me, so they're extra. And I'm taking my detailed brush and some white paint, and I'm just highlighting a few areas, and I'm following the lines that are already there and just adding some white to it. So it really brightens it up, gives it a little more depth and dimension, and helps it pop. This cutout, along with many others, can be purchased on our website at buildacross.com in our shape section in the category Paint by Line. And after I get done with this highlighting, guys, we are done. This was a super easy and super fun project that you could do in children's church or Sunday school and really bring to life the stories that were told to us in the Gospels. Hope you enjoyed. Like and share.